the top thing of my questions that I think you should ask about any AI that people tend to forget to ask is, who do you work for? I know some people who tried it. Hey, Alexa, who do you work for? Siri, who do you work for? Well, I am for Apple. So Siri, if I get you to Alexa, if I get you to buy to recommend what I buy my kids for their birthday presents, whose interests are you working in? Are you working for the best present for my kids? Are you making their interests or my interests? Yeah, clearly one of the big concerns people have is that the AIs out there don't work for them. They don't work for the people who are asking the questions. So the one thing to imagine, we do imagine with a solid project, we have a project which imagines that people own their own data. You have control of their own data. If you had control of all your own data, you could pull your data in, and you could run your own AI. You could pull in all your bank statements. You could pull in your Amazon stuff. Now, Amazon knows a bunch about stuff about you. Alexa knows what you've bought from Amazon, but Alexa doesn't know what you bought from anywhere else. So if you pull in all the data that Amazon gives you, maybe because Amazon does out of the kindness of its heart, maybe because regulation has forced Amazon to give it all the data about what you bought, and you pull in all the data from all the other stores, and you pull in all the bank statements from all your credit cards and all the bank statements of all the bank accounts, and you pull in all your fitness data, and you pull in all of your health data from all of the hospitals that you visited and all the doctors and clinics you've been to see, and you pull in all of the fitness data from all the gadgets that you wear. Then after a while in your personal data store, you have a lot of data. You have more data about you than Amazon has. You have more data about you than Facebook has. And so then the interesting thing to do is to run an AI over that, over all of that. And so in that case, you're asking, when you ask a question of the AI, you're asking a question of AI that you can trust, because this is something that works for you. At the moment, nobody's really, well, we have a project. There are a few projects around the world. There's one which is called the Respectful Alexa in the computing lab at Oxford. So there's a few projects which have looked at this, but they all depend on the solid project being effective. All of this idea that the philosophy that you have access to your own data, and then you end up producing a really interesting, very, very powerful AI when you have done that. That's what's on my mind.